So in this video, I'm going to talk about SpiritMe. Its lifetime deal is back again for the Sumo Day, only for the 13th June, and you will get the 10% extra discount on all the software currently you can get on the app. So the pricing is just $49, and it's, believe me, one of the really crazy deal here. I'm going to review a AI video generator. With the help of you can create stunning videos with digital avatars in few minutes, and this is the really good alternative to the Synthesia, that is the also a AI video generator, but there you have to pay the monthly subscription prices. But because this tool is available on the lifetime deal, in just $49 you can get the lifetime access. So the tool name is the SpiritMe, and like I said, you can create the professional level video editing and create the AI avatar videos for your marketing, for your sales, or the onboarding process. It is the realistic digital avatars you are going to get here, and the best thing, you can even create your own avatar here. Just upload your video using the iOS app in this platform, and after that it can turn your avatar into the digital video. So in this video I am going to show you and give you the detailed demo of the SpiritMe, showing all of the features and giving the tutorial how you can generate the AI avatar videos. But before that, let me tell you the pricing here. So pricing starts from the $49, in which you are going to get stock avatars including your own avatar creation. You are going to get 200 plus unique voices and the tones. We have the 200 plus unique languages available, dynamic facial emotions, 180p HD resolution, and custom backgrounds and voice file we can also upload here. So currently there are the 3 tier plans available. In this one tier plan you will get the 15 minutes video per month here, and unlimited downloads you will get. In the tier 2 plan, this limit increased to the 60 minutes, and in the tier 3 plan you can see here we have the 120 minutes videos limit per month with unlimited downloads and one custom avatar with custom voice included. So as for now, I suggest go with the tier 2 plans because this is the more value to money here. Okay, now let me give you the demo of this platform. So this is the SpiritMe platform. You can also access its free trial plan, but I suggest go with its lifetime plan because there's also the 60 days money back guarantee. With the help of you can just experience this tool for the absolutely free and risk free in 2 months. So this is the dashboard. Once you got the dashboard, here are the few things it will show you. First off, these are the templates, and if you find any of these templates suitable for you, you can select it from here. For example, if you have an app a kind of the platform, then this is the template I suggest go with, but there's also the blank template you can go with. So let's click here on this template here, and after that here are the few things you will get on the left side, and on the middle you will see this editor section. So let me show you and give you the walkthrough all these options available on the left side once this editor is loaded. So our editor is loaded, and here we have the template that is we have selected. But if suppose you want to change this template, you can also select from this template section. So I selected here, and you can see it has the templates. So currently it has very limited templates, but in future we can see more. Then we have the avatar. Suppose you want to change this avatar, so here we have all the pre-built avatars available, and like I said, you can even upload your own avatar here, but you have to use its iOS app here. So let me show you how you can create or add your own avatar. So this is the YouTube video. So you can see here it will basically upload few minutes of your video, in which you have to normally just act as you normally do, talk about few things, and it is going to analyze all your emotion, all your activities, and all your facial recognition, and it will turn that into the video avatar. So that's how simply it works, but currently it is only available for the iOS system, so that is the only disadvantage I have found. Okay, then we have the script. If you want to generate or add your script that the AI avatar will talk, you can upload it here. Then it has the all the languages supported available here. It has all the speech, audio, voices available. You can see this is the voice. You can select any of these ones. Okay, then we have the stock images. Okay, basically if you want to add any of the images here, this is the stock images for you. Then we have the videos. Here you can find the stock videos that you can use as the background in this our AI avatar video. You can even add your own video, then same goes for the audio, but here you can also add the background music in terms of the emotional connectivity. Suppose you want to add the inspirational music, energetic, epic, all these kind of things. This is the images where you can upload your own images. This is for the text where you can add the text like this. Okay, then we have the shapes and the stickers available. Okay, so editing or changing these kind of the things is really easy. Suppose this is the image or the background video I have added, so I can normally drag and drop and move it according to my need here. I can also do the same thing here on the text. Suppose I just click here on the text here. After that, it is going to unlock the all the editing section. I will click on this edit, and here I can just replace the text on this video. That's how simple it is. Plus you can also change the color from here. You can add the stroke, all these things you can do it. And once everything is done, what you can do, you can click on this preview, and after that you can generate here. So this is basically all the important feature I have showed you on the SpiritMe, but let me also give you demo how your video look like after the creation. So I have downloaded a video after the creating, and this is demo. Let me show you.
Introducing Virtual Farm, locally sourced goodness. Your one-stop app. Marketplace for fresh, locally sourced goodness. Are you tired of the limited options and questionable quality of produce at your local grocery store? Look no further than Virtual Farm, the ultimate app marketplace connecting you directly to passionate farmers and their bountiful harvests.
See, this is the video I have generated using the SpiritMe, and I am really surprised with the quality, with the AI avatar movements and the lip sync, and voice is also very clear. So this is the thing you can do it with the SpiritMe. So if you want to check out its lifetime deal, currently it's available on the just $49. You can find the link in the description of my video here. And don't forget, there's also the 60 days money back guarantee you will get in every plan. So that's all for today's video. If you really enjoyed this SpiritMe demo and the tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And you can also check out my YouTube for more amazing SaaS deals, reviews and videos. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.